So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you run this, you're going to type in ipconfig space / flush DNS. Click on enter. And now you're going to type in netsh space winsock space reset and click on enter again. It's going to ask you to restart your computer, but don't do it yet to complete the next steps in the video. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search again and type in view network connections. Click on it. And then once you run this, you're going to find your network adapter, you're going to double click on it, and then click on properties, and then click on Internet Protocol version 4. And now you're going to select use the following DNS server address. You're going to make the first line 8888, and you're going to make the second line 8844, and then click on OK. Click on OK again. And now for the last step, you're going to head over to search and type in network reset. Click on it. And then once you run this, you're going to click on reset now, and then click on yes. It's going to automatically restart your computer in 5 minutes, or you could just restart it yourself, and then the problem should be fixed.